Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a very quick, delicious and super filling breakfast recipe which you can take for weight loss. So over here I've been boiling 2 eggs for about 8 minutes or thereabouts now, and once the egg was done cooking I took it out from the water and then placed it in a bowl. Pour some water over it. I'm going to cover the bowl with the lid and shake it until the egg peels. Like, you don't need to shake this too much, just slightly shake it and it will just peel off so easily. But this is what happened. I was shaking it with my muscles. You know, sometimes when we are filming and cooking we do forget ourselves. So that was what happened to me. I was shaking it with my muscles and forgot that I was shaking something, so the thing broke inside the water. But anyways, it's still not bad, but this is a very quick and easiest way to peel your eggs. So I just smashed the egg with a fork, and now I'm going to be adding some mayonnaise. You can use more or less of the ingredients I'm using here depending on how many people you are making it for. So we are going to mix the egg and mayonnaise until they are well combined. Now I'm going to be adding some pepper. I'm using Cameroon pepper. You can use any chili pepper of your choice. Now I'm going to be adding some salt as well. Add some coconut oil. This is optional, you don't have to add it if you don't want to, but if you want you can try it and see there's a great difference from the one you have been eating before. So we are going to mix everything together until they are well incorporated. So now this is the bread I'm going to be using. I'm using whole wheat bread. You can use any bread of your choice basically. Now you are going to scoop some of the egg and mayo mixture, place it on top of the one slice of bread. Make sure you spread it evenly, then place another slice of bread on top of that and add more of the egg and mayo mixture. Spread it evenly. Now cover it up with another slice of bread, and that's it. I'm going to be cutting it into 2 halves now. And this is what it looks like. Looks so delicious. Like, guys, this is so delicious. I'm not even going to lie. It is super easy to make and it is so delicious. You need to try it, because my daughter herself didn't allow me to enjoy this. She was like, "Mommy, I want more. Mommy, I want more." Like, guys, you really need to try this. Okay, so guys, finally I'm going to be brewing some green tea, because that's what I'm going to be enjoying this delicious goodness with. I'm going to be adding some honey to it and sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top of it. Oh, what a great combination. You guys really need to give this a try. It will keep you so filling for a very long time, for almost 5 hours or even more than 5 hours before you can think of any other thing. And this will help you lose weight if you are on a weight loss journey like me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it as well, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.